Practical Eye, Everyday Applications Explained. The Invisible Revolution. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept confined to labs or science fiction films. It is an invisible revolution actively running in the background of our daily lives. For the technical enthusiast, understanding practical eye means recognizing the specialized machine learning models that deliver convenience and efficiency right to your fingertips, often without you even realizing it. Personalized digital assistants. The most familiar application is the digital assistant, such as Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa. These systems rely on a complex interplay of natural language processing, NLP, to understand spoken queries and machine learning, ML, to learn your voice, preferences, and context. They execute tasks by converting human speech into actionable data, simplifying everything from setting timers to controlling smart home devices. The power of recommendation engines. When you stream a movie or shop online, you engage with recommendation engines. These systems use collaborative filtering and content-based algorithms to predict your next choice. By analyzing vast data sets of past behavior and comparing it with similar user demographics, the eye suggests products, music, or videos, which is a key driver for customer engagement and platform profitability. Real-time navigation and route optimization. Your daily commute is governed by eye. Navigation apps like Google Maps use intelligent algorithms for real-time route optimization. They ingest continuous streams of data, like GPS coordinates from other users and historical traffic patterns, to predict congestion, estimate accurate arrival times, and suggest dynamic detour options, fundamentally improving logistics and travel efficiency. 5. Advanced email and spam filtering. In the realm of communication, AI excels at advanced email and spam filtering. Machine learning models are trained on features like sender reputation, keyword frequency, and message structure to classify mail as legitimate or malicious. This use of AI is critical, effectively blocking over 100 billion unwanted emails daily, as industry figures estimate. Facial recognition and authentication. Many smartphones and security systems leverage facial recognition for secure, low-friction authentication. This is an application of computer vision, where a deep learning model, typically a convolutional neural network, CNN, maps key facial features to generate a unique digital signature, providing both security and convenience for unlocking devices or accessing restricted areas. Fraud detection in finance. The financial sector heavily relies on AI for fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms constantly monitor transaction streams to flag deviations from a user's typical spending profile, such as unusual transaction amounts, locations, or purchase types. These systems allow banks to stop unauthorized activity in real time, dramatically mitigating financial losses for consumers and institutions. The autocorrect and grammar checkers. Every time a word processor instantly corrects a typo, you are seeing autocorrect and grammar checkers in action. These tools use sophisticated NLP models to analyze syntax, semantics, and context. They go beyond simple dictionary lookups to suggest stylistic improvements, ensuring higher quality and consistency in written digital communication. Dynamic pricing in e-commerce. E-commerce sites often use AI for dynamic pricing. This involves algorithms that adjust product prices in real time based on factors like competitor pricing, current inventory levels, time of day, and projected demand. This application maximizes revenue for the seller and can sometimes offer better deals to the consumer depending on their profile. The future of AI integration. These 10 examples merely scratch the surface of AI's footprint. For the technical audience, the next frontier lies in generative AI, creating new text, code, or media, and edge AI, which brings processing closer to the data source. AI's practical integration will only deepen, making these intelligent systems even more central to our connected world.